Hi, today we'll do another website review. This time it will be different. It's a company from Philippines. That's a pitcher plant farm, and we will see what kind of Nepenthes you could get for your windowsill. But keep in mind that it would be a warmer windowsill compared to Canada because they mainly sell lowland plant. Hi, my name is Remy and I love Nepenthes. Okay, so we will see a pitcher plant farm. Because that's probably for lowland, I will act like my windowsill would be warmer, and we will go from there. So, Nepenthes and low to high, as always. Okay. Alright, so what I would do is I won't take any seeds there, just focus on the plants. The black peristome, Ventricosa black peristome, could be interesting, especially for that price. This price is around $10 US. So yeah, for sure. What else? The minima, I don't know exactly. Okay. So the upper and the lower. Okay. Looks good. Yeah, same. It's not really expensive. That could work. What else? Tubby and wide. Interesting. So they have a lot of different kind of Ventricosa. So that's interesting to see. Okay, so Nepenthes gentle. Okay, it's between Fusca and Maxima. Okay. So Nepenthes gentle, yes, I would take it because that's probably a really nice plant for sure. Yeah, look at that. Not bad. Long, that's great. Okay. Yeah, the gentle, I would take it. What else? Mirabilis, quite classic, but I mean, if your windowsill is really warm, why not? Maybe I would go with the Graciliflora. I like the fact that there is some stripes, even if they are not that strong. What else? Okay. Copelandii, yes. Looks good, actually. Okay, if my windowsill was warm, I would very probably go for Ampullaria. The bow green looks great. I'm sure they have other Ampullaria, but definitely this one or the Burnet green. I'm not a pro of the Ampullaria because they cannot grow really on my windowsill. But yeah, so that would definitely work. The other one, let's see, the bow green. Okay. What else? Okay, the Albomarginata vicii. If you like it, and I'm not judging here, if you like it, take it. Looks good. For me, it's just kind of too bad to have an hybrid of Albomarginata because the marginata, the color, the white color, will be almost gone. So, but I mean, it's still a nice plant. It's just for me, yeah, not the kind of hybrid I like. Reinwardsiana. This one is quite adaptable. So that should be able to handle quite some, a lot of different kind of windowsill. So this one could also be interesting. Miranda, for sure. Miranda would be probably the go-to for me. Oh, actually, there is... Okay, let's see the Miranda first. So that's clearly a beautiful peristome picture. So Miranda, yes, I would go for that. The Glanduliflora by Botsiana, quite nice. Actually, yeah, this one, even for my windowsill, I would probably try. So yeah. Oh, see the Albomarginata Penang. That's more what I would take because it would be pure species and have the white color. So yeah, that would be the one I take. What else? Yeah, this Ventricosa, Majaas, it's great. What else do we have? Another Ampullaria. So you could play. So this one, yes, I would take it. Stenophila, yes. Emae, yes. Emae, definitely, it loves my windowsill and that would work great. So for me, for now, I would say almost the top list, Emae, for me. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Rihanna would definitely. I saw the one from Gian, and it looks great. I mean, this is a big, beautiful species. Yeah, and it goes really, really big. So yeah, I think that's. Actually, I'm surprised because there is quite some interesting plant here. Maybe at the very end, I will do a quick screenshot of the one I would have taken. If your windowsill is warm, Rafflesia would be funny, but I'm not sure. You would need to have really high humidity. Clipiata by Clipiata emae. This one could be interesting too. Why not? Sienna by Vicii Clone 1. Yes, I have it on my windowsill. It's working great. The Vicii Pink. Yeah, definitely the Vicii Pink. Yeah, looks good. Again, another one from Ampullaria. So we will have a lot of lowland here, obviously, but it's totally normal. This is it's in Philippines, I think. So definitely, yes, that's for warmer climate. But this Ampullaria red is great. What else? Bicalcarata. That's a great species for sure. Yeah, you really need to be lowland. I'm not an expert with that. That's why. Oh. And that's it. I would take definitely the Clipiata by Clipiata emae. I would take also the emae. Probably all the ones that are here. So let me show you. The Glandu by Botsena hybrid. The same without the hybrid. You see, as soon as you know the parentage, it's more expensive. The Ventricosa also because that's a classic and really adaptable. Diana, the Vicii Pink, and the Chena. So that's the one I would take on this website. Did you ever order plants from a Pitcher Plant Farm? If yes, did you like the plants? What kind of species did you got? Let me know in the comments, and until next time, happy growing!